Welcome! In under 2 minutes, we're going to break down the concept of assets, a core component of finance and accounting. Understanding what an asset is can significantly clarify your financial literacy, whether for personal finance or business. Simply put, an asset is something a company or individual owns that has economic value. Grasping the definition of assets is crucial for assessing financial health and making informed investment decisions. The core definition revolves around ownership and the potential to generate future economic benefit. For something to be classified as an asset, it must be owned or controlled, be the result of a past transaction, and provide expected future economic benefit. The key takeaway is that assets are expected to bring money into the future or reduce future expenses. Assets come in many forms. We can start with physical or tangible assets, those you can touch. Examples of tangible assets include real estate, like land and buildings, as well as equipment and inventory for businesses. Next, we have intangible assets. These lack a physical presence but still hold significant value. Intangible assets include patents, trademarks, goodwill built up with customers, and strong brand recognition. Finally, financial assets represent a contractual right to receive cash or another financial instrument. This category covers cash, investments like stocks and bonds, and accounts receivable, which is money owed to you by customers. In business, assets are prominently featured on the balance sheet, a key financial statement. On the balance sheet, assets must always equal the sum of liabilities, which are obligations, and equity, which is the owner's stake. This is known as the accounting equation. To wrap up, understanding assets is fundamental to finance, providing a clear picture of what is owned and its potential to generate wealth. Remember, assets are owned items of value that provide future economic benefit, classified as tangible, intangible, or financial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick finance breakdowns and check out the description for further learning resources.